We don't even have the road, have to walk for hours just to put
come back once again. Ektam phal moment ekta yade Uche Nentong or Bra Nentong inai matibo. Like abningan bishi manubra jani na thagibo the rappers. Famous rapper ekta ase Nagaland te. At the same time ajikali bishi dala video do viral hoi thaka to hamne bi jani ase. The king of jungle koina ana amina kana thagishina. So brother, apni ke log paina khushi ba first janai di ase.
Same here, brother.
At the same time bishi manu amni ke fan ase.
Yeah.
So moila family members and kiman ase ta khan osor bi short conversation. It's not like interview, okay?
All right.
Moi jon ki problem mon ase kobo.
For sure.
Aro ta khan de bhabna korala mon pungjai di bole bishi mon thaka bra pungjai ase kana chanai di ase. At the same time guys, itu to tasu sports meet the mohan Pongkong, right?
Yeah,
Pongkong de mohan jama gura ase. Yate si Longpong. Ta khan Longpong koina এটা তাসু স্পোর্টস মিটে কিমা মানু জামা ঘুরে আছে এটু খান ওপরে বি জানাই দি আছে লংফং কইনা স্পট একটা আছে তাখান পংকং মানু খান বেশি ভাল বড় এটু জায়গা এরেঞ্জ কইনা রাখি দি আছে তে এটু মহান ভিউইং প্লেস একটা আছে লংফং ইন দ্য সেন্স আমনি কবে তো
Longpong in a sense like pathor jama guraja something like that, right? So it's a beautiful place to be. So you know, if you are around here, maybe Tapi or maybe in a morn, you know, you can just come up and you know come down to Pongkong village and you know explore the view.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying.
Moi bi to koi diul man ase bishi de moi jon conversation ja bishi de jaga to olop dikhai dibo ede tapi area manhon kiman jama gure ase hotai do pongju na parubo so itu jaga re pongji na bi si wangkhwa khan banai gen ma sundor jaga ta khan arrange kori di ase manu lok panai gule to mohan garni bi los ta khan garni bi na satisfy no ha thakibo mohan garni bana ase
for sure
sai na explore guri go na itu janai di ase bishi de bi olop dikhai dibo so itu kan sob koi thakile moi jon la conversation na jaw na so amni la mane moi bi big fan ekta ase
for sure thank you
so bishi manu bra amni famous kuna thaise will be lok paule mon will be see alak alak jaga re mon edu hobra lok paule time pongjanai so I consider as a big blessing
yeah
kali performance dise
same here
very much satisfied bishi manu khushi paise amni dekhina so edu amni la journey la olop koi jao de
for sure
apni la short introduction moila family members kan logode koi diu baro
all right hello guys my name is Nentong Konyak. I'm from a small village called Mauting under Wakching area, and yeah, by profession I'm a rapper. I was also awarded for KOJ in 2020 as best hip hop artist or best hip hop song. I mean, and yeah, that's what my introduction would be. And in fact, I've been watching you for long, everything like that. But yeah, never get the chance to be sitting together and stuff like that. So like, I'm very privileged and thankful, that you reach out to me and we reach out to each other, and that's how we should be, right? We should be helping each other, and also we'll catch up. So I'm thankful, and I'm blessed to be here.
Thank you so
and much. You are talking about my journey and stuff like that, right? So shall I?
Yeah, starting journey but sure.
All right, okay. Let me tell you like this. It's a conversation, so I will put it out my heart out. Totally key to ase to koi do. Chutu jaga ekta ase, pusti ekta ase. Light paloina, pani paloina, rasta paloina, iku nai. Ena thaise. Right now, idar mala pusti at least light to ase. So that's somehow blessings, and I'm thankful for that. And itu kana la journey kina suru julu to first Dimapur de mula sati Hamshen guna se tai lo de kana suru guse hold on gune ekta kana banaise to tai do tala hook thaise mane hook part to ni kala part ki koi man rap la form de gusile na kala part te goi to chorus to taila thaise to rap to moi likje rap likha bise chorus to taila ala kana kana likha jade nolui tai itu ina phal lagaba moi mujun banao koina itu tara tari guna ekta banaise bana bise de after kana no online alo bukiji moi then graduated graduated ho jise du sida COVID-19 and stuff like that pusti khorai na boise tidia janise ki the struggle is very different I was there studying in Dimapur, so like I never know that our people are struggling. I know that janise no libi like nichu pukhi saile janise ki itu to pukharo man tugase na itu bise janise ki like pani pukhabi man tukne ki example na example so road pi condition bhal no aba half pa ini KOJ gana to ini nichu la hard to put out kura na je mane lyrics te sob thali dia na je chawal pukhina bi nichu bi aise
yes
right so chawal pukhina mi nichu be aise and then like chutu modu na jongol de kam ki je khiti la kam ki je itu bi nichu be kuri na itu aba itu la experience aise aro itu la bisne nichu janise ki like our people are really suffering and so I have to do something but I never know like I didn't know that what should I do because just a youngster I did not know I just graduated and we all know right that struggle graduate who actually ajikali jobless pishi so manu in fact you know myself I would not consider as you know full time job thaga na bi no movie so that's how I know that you know like our people are struggling now aba moi kina olwi likhiwo na gana ekta likhe naam do sati ba mola videographer ba dia je bro mo kana likhe video banawla habi na tai mati je to kana huna je tai huna na hoise title to ki dile bhalo hoy to tai hoise KOJ di King of Jungle di kilo la apni jungle la pishi koi na aw video bi moi pustire lo na lo do mouthing na na to mala pustire lo na ta ke tani na ani je chopor jo sire tan bi willingly ko no le like tan bi jungle de ai je videographer kan bi pishi thankful as moi Raj Kumar aro amo na thago ta jun bi na to ta jun bi ki je ala khan ne matile ko na wo thing ba perai na jao ola je bustire ro unseason ase rasta de gari ne perai to video camera khan ki je so pukise ina na pass na ola na pungje ina na video re na banai je ina that's how it comes up you know that's how you know ina kanado ina ola je you know all about my village struggle and I think people like it because I you know being honest and being giving them the you know the real thing like not showing that fancy thing because we don't live that life fancy life to movie na thaga ba mo ki je dikhai je so like people appreciate that I believe so that's the thing you know KOJ do je after that you know the rest I think everybody have been seeing not a big crowd I have but you know even small maybe I'm so thankful I'm so thankful I'm so thankful and all great you know like blessings I believe from God so I give all the glory to him yes
thank you bishi motivate kore bishi manoge
for sure
at the same time kitia mahan bi aido lyrics de noile kana de sadem de bishi manoge touch hwa garni itu do mane bishi popular hoi ja manu mon de chui gule aro kitia mahan right concept itu moila view gode
for sure
itu ase kwala bi noy li right concept or moram guna mon de touch guna kiba ekta kurishi gule phal line de kurishi gule do any opor de jai do na so mohan la pichi de birai
of course
so apni la explanation opor de itu mane moi bi add up kori dia ase
thank you yes
kiman manu tai ge ase lyrics likha bishi de kana gurule title dia brothers khan eta naam mention gurule videographers khan hobi itu kon manu contribute kori dise moi la sai pre na
salute for sure thank you yes 100%
ekta happen gurse apni eta itu kwadem de moi yate ase huyang lo nai do
huyang lo nai
itu la video do like apni eta kwadem de moi ke bishi touch kuna do kita convention jaise itu paja lok paisu brother ne gobo
sure
to tai do choli gai
yeah I know
manu ke khushi bai de tai ke lok paisu gule to moi ke lok paino aya brother amni do noksa ke lok pai da kha sin ai ne moi ke koisu do so over khushi so moi kitia do long pen do moi ka bo na lo ja do tai ki diulo mon hoy
acha
so negative doubt eku nai na bishi moram ekta bhamna garam dei itu diarem dei itula short clip ekta
I know
viral hoy na idu
saisi
brother hoyang ke lok pa dem de moi famous moi lok pa garne tai famous honoi na the same thing like amni kitia idu sijun digise amni monde touch kuna kora dem
100%
manu ki motivate kurse
agreed
amni do rapper ekta howa garne amni la busila koise same sijun lok pa khan be se manu ase
of course
so nichu ke feel guri na idu kuro para na idu be chanai dia ase de so itia si ita do mata manu khan bi bishi noile bishi manu bra amni ki chani gule kiba hoi jai ase na so upcoming event noile apni kiniga idu to consistently chaule paro laga no lok koi dio paro viewers kan
okay you know kwan idea conversation to honesty ba rakho na viewers khan garne bi real honest to ki dio little struggle for sure kilele itia gona downs and CDs tha hando ala je ta hando shows kan bi obi ki am bi obi at least you know like they have the link and stuff like that for us ki mon bishi mon de gure alak chari bi chai of course definitely you know ekdam nugure na bi no but you know less So struggle to asin will be going on with my flow video next project be soon. I'll be dropping soon. Little bit on suspense rakhu mo little bit on Eastern. You know, little bit on Eastern.
Yes.
After that, I have that gospel song, you know, gospel song coming up.
Pura rap di jabo.
Everything you rap, man. So, you know, so like, you know, projects are there. And hopefully, man, itia go ana, itia kore tangwala ze. I am also planning to, you know, look for a job, as well as, you know, continue with my rap. So, it will be hard, but I will continue for sure.
Yeah,
you know, that's what I would say. That's what I would say.
Amni ke to junam gura khor gele to ma babar shu na khandan ho boliu amni la family members can be shares
For sure,
amni lor pichi kura amni ki khushi ba khana so ta han satisfy gole bi mo khanla duty ekta nisna hoise amni la duty nisna hoise
Yes.
so update koi thaki bi amni la fan kan be shi ase etu hi moi best wish kuri di ase
Okay.
sai prana
Thank you. In fact, you know, like some manu jane I don't go live, I don't go around like, you know, interview can be kurana go jele ina face to face bhi hobi na
acha
so most of my followers bhi hobi mola fans bhi hobi friends bhi hobi bishi manu be like maybe tai thankful bhi nai bare na be homna go bare
yeah please
I never reach out to them so maybe I will take this opportunity and so thankful to you for giving me this opportunity to thank my viewers plus supporters plus, you know, everybody who prayed for me. Paisa side pa noli aur paisa side pa motop kurabi noli like either way na ki side pa noli kiman manu motop kurese kiman manu view kurese kiman support kurese thank you so much, you know, like my love for you all, respect to you all. What can I give you guys, right? So I will keep on working. I will try to give my best what I'm doing, right? So that's what I would say, and yeah, I'm very, very thankful, to be honest. I'm very thankful. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you aro like see ita to as a rapper apni lo miligi na short rap ekta bhi mara nai gulu tam bhi satisfy na hola so see ido king of jungle na
Okay, I'll give you
short
that.
rap apni kon to part apni sab to khushi pai na thakyo lyrics to apni lagai ase to
Yes.
fully khushi mai na go holi short part ekta apni rap mari dio parbo
Okay, for sure. I will give you second verse se moi first verse so up moi bhi moi as type de ase so I will give you second verse because that's a whole story about my village and you know that's how it goes. Honestly, I don't like the way I feel when I sit to write. Every time I sit to write, my pen is filled with pain and I find myself all alone standing on this wide lane. I know I'm little late to tell you this, but yes, this is where I stay. Nagaland is what my state. Last head under what they say. Sadly, I cry a lot looking at my people. Everybody say children are the future. We don't have the future. We don't have the institution. How we gonna learn? If you know how this mental work. Our body slave to our mental. We should know how to handle. Now my young people lost their minds, head up the mind. They are good for nothing. What they gotta do, they are take the pills, drugs, forget about that. We don't even have the road, have to walk for hours just to put a food on the table, and this is how we have to struggle with those people without medication because we live in the jungle. But I thank God to listen every time we say we are hungry. Now my only wish, man, if I could stop time. My parents are getting older, all my leaders care more about the bank balance, big house, big cars and their properties. They don't care about the people living in the poverty. You see, I don't want to sound like I need help, but I need help. I need Genie for my wish, Moko by my side, Big Dan for my watch, Chappie on my songs, all the rappers from my northeast, I notice you, and this is my notice for you. I need help.
Oh,
that's what it is. Thank you.
Mara. Iman fast pra ko ese translate na kuri thakyo.
Cool, man.
Konyak love song de wele to party ba ayo laka. To inia ka to party ayo na paro huni ke nahi ekdam khushi ba.
Sure.
Shock kaina sai ase. So viewers khan tai ke log paina moi khushi bai se amni han karne mohan sab karne log pa nisna hobo. Idu chudu media family members will be. So moi itu man local people khan naga manu khan moi itu koi diulo man ase. Alak corner de stars khan alak line de talent thaka isora blaze kwa just a gifted. Tahan garni the blessing thaka manu bishi ase. But the thing is that we don't know how to support each other. Itu bra mohan age de ekta pothai diu na pare. Ki line bra holi mohan support kuro paro. See ekdam bishi manu bra famous kuri ase. So aji tai ki log paina khushi bai ase. Moila family members kan amni khushi pai na thakise gule. Moi description de taila channel nam do di dia ase ta sign up please or like subscribe share guna taila updates kan rukhi thakibo ta age ta highlight kuri dise highlight na kora story speech ase ta han banai na future plan bishi ase really motivating aro itu kana honi na ma bishi alak alak angle bra ma handi shape kuro touch kuro gana hope kora janai di ase so is there any last words for my viewers
For sure,
for our
sure.
viewers I meant to say
Of course, sure. Definitely. Thank you so much, brother. Tingliam la viewers can be, and then even my supporters, please do subscribe to his channel, as well as support him as well. And yeah, thank you so much. Camera de ajale do ki kole thaile lop kom dio jai. So that's what I would say. Our shades laga do ki jiglo thupio lop mare se duba laga dei potani no dei. Tu koi dia dei. Alak time de mo chok sweep ji mare no le do andu separate lagi dua kilo all official na lagi dua. Thank you so much, and please do keep supporting both of us. And yeah, take care, please take care.
Thank you.
Thank
Moi
you.
bhi jokes bishi mare de.
Yeah.
Live as the official ho parna.
Chalo, cool.
So nice to meet
Yeah,
you too.
same here, brother. Same here, brother.
Bye guys, see you next video. Taila channel de subscribe karna pauribe. Next update to coming soon, right?
For sure, for sure.
Bye.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
May God bless you all. So इतिया interview खत्म हुई ना short conversation bro नंतोंग लोग खत्म हुई ना जगह दिखाई दिया से पूरा मैं बिटोर आगे न जा रही है bro शावांग मैं team member say hi bro buddy मैं जन पंजे से तांदे लोग पाइसे भाल टाइम जा दिस इतो बड़े तपीरिया और अलग मानुखान ये दे पंगकोंग दे पंजा मानुखान करने जाना ही दिया से ये ताहन कोई सबते लोंगपोंग माते कोई तो जगह दे लोंगपोंग in the sense पाथर जमा करा जगह ना लोंग तो पाथर Pong means jama gurage matala semua kota warna. So itu long pong guna itu jaga ekta ase. Takkan masa manu garne itu tu like viewing place ekta nisna ini bonai dia se jaga de ki gobo. Bui bole chair kan bamboo rana porna style ba ini bonai dia se. Emang bhal jaga ekta ase. Bishi manu na jani na explore na guna thakibo itu video. Moi pota sa bishi manu especially tapi gare jama gurgan jaga sai lobi hotai mohan pongju na pare. Ekta busi de niya birai jawa na. To pongja time de famous jaga noile. Ini ata kan ekta maintain guna mohan ahile duhan jaga sauli di guna. Kura jaga le pongji le to mohan garne me memory. Tahan bi bona manu han garne me satisfy ho guna. Janai dia se. Ete buibla jaga. Ya aro itu bi janai dia se. Man clear ase moi itu ajibi cleanliness drive jalem de duhan de koi thaka ase. Amni kote ase itu to amni la jaga ase. Para ta clean rakhibo try koribe yade se iman bhal arrange kora maika ekta bese na moi ini dikhai di ase itia kon bishi manu jama gora na itu janibo parase to mohan jama gole mithaila chamra tak yade na philao garne request kore ase si iman moja bra park manu itu bra sundor bona jaga de jama gora nohi ro alag alag jaga de kiman sundor ase view clips ase side duta de clips ase aro se dustbin garne to rakhi di ase itu kan use korbi na Pota hoile itu malik kun ase mohani ase malik to amni philai dibo jaga ekta de joi jula jaga de thalibu to amni laga moi laga mahan sob la duty ase kono janai di ase pongjibe this is Longpong guys Longpong in Pongkong village the Longpong jaga la naam ase aro main Longpong le du ase ni phamna gore ase pathor se yere jama gorna pathor khan do yede rakhi di ase se brother Nentong Konyak bike to yede there is kwa Aro yadi buhi kina conversation jali pe get loina ina love song kurise gole be like bishi touch hole bhamna kore ase and see bishi morom see itu to pupa kan for brothers kan bra inia jaga de kitchen garne banai na man khaina shuru ho ase de tixi garne itu ki koi oh tixi rakhibo garne itu phanglong itu banala ase see aha opor jai ase dos moijon man phal jaga ase Do visit guys, do visit. आपने कितने regret ना खाओ. So continuation इन्हें जैसे जगह ले ना बाल ऐसे आदि bike खान पंक्जियो पारी ऐसे और bike खान पंक्जिले भी रास्ता तो कचारो छोड़ा तो बेआस दे इधर गाने ओलो फुशिया बना है भी ओली भी bike तो आराम से पंक्जियो पारी ऐसे दे परा तक ना drive slow जो हम ना पाओ गाने सी getter लोइना आई बोले ऐसे मोये दे getter लोइना love song दे love song गुरला है बोले दे Mala team kan be see. Yes, that's called love song. It was today. Are yaar first time মই এইটো জায়গাতে পংজা নাই গ'লে তো বেছি ৰিগ্ৰেট খাবলৈ থাকিছে চ' oh my goodness it's too good yeah আছে so I do request all the visitors be clean আপনি ক'ত জায়গাতে বহি আছে এইটোতো আপনি লা জায়গা আছে ভাৱনা কৰি না পাৰা তাক না চাফা ৰাখিবি আৰু পংকং খান কিমান মানুহ এইটো এৰেঞ্জ কৰি দেখাই দিবি এপ্ৰিচিয়েট কৰা জনাই দি আছে সবচে ডাঙৰ কাজটো মই এতিয়া দেখাই দিব চে biggest tree banyan tree আছে না এইটো banyan আছে না হা নাই না নাই বান মান নাই মাদি দে PKG লংফং হং এইটো লা নাম আছে ও জায়গা লা নাম আছে এইটো লংফং হং এইটো PKG তো পংকং লা আছে না পংকং এইটো জায়গা লা নাম একটা আছে সি হেমান অচিনা নাগিৰিবি প্লিজ মই ৰিক্স নলওঁ না এইটো লাটো ইমান ডাঙৰ একটা আছে কাছ চি this is banyan tree yeah guys oh my god leave your cleaned footprint tadi signboard olop ekta na meaningful signboard edu one signboard sign jabi edu hisab de follow koro man sob see opor de uchiu na parola na it's too good yeah emane uthibi নহলে আৰু উঠিব গলে তো হস্পিটাল দি লগ পাও লাগা my god পইচা দি গলে উঠিব এ মান শর্ট পাই যাই আছে দে thank you chalo nice to meet with you all কই দিও explain two sentence
খালি দুইটা দে
দুই আছে
একদম ভালো আছে একদম সাফ সাফাই আছে আৰু এই কোনবা বানাইছে পংগং স্টুডেন্ট খানো কানসাল খানো খুশি বালা জানাই দি আছে ৰাখো এনেকা সাফ সাফাই ৰাখাটো এনে স্পট ৰাখাটো মেইনটেইন গুণ ৰাখাটো একদম ভালো আছে এই গুণ মূল আছে প্ৰবিত কৰি আছে
thank you so much
একদম এনজয় কৰিছে
হাই সেন্টেন্স তিন
কত নাই মাইকা খুব ৰাখবি
নাই তো এই থামলি গ্ৰন হয় একো নাই দে
মই জিন নাবি পকেটে ঢালি কিনা লৈ যায়
মই আমি মিঠাই বেছি খাইছিলে পকেটে ঢালিছে বিকজ the environment is self clean na etu opor kina philao parbo see eman sabare rakhi di ase so anyway thank you so much buddy for helping me out to reach this place